YouTube Shorts, even though relatively new, have gotten huge numbers, and there are people who are making thousands of dollars through YouTube Shorts. But what if you're like me and you're too lazy to film anything, or if you don't even know what to film in the first place? Well, if that's the case, then you've come to the right place, because today I will show you a simple trick to make money through YouTube Shorts without recording a single thing, without relying on ad revenue to make money because the CPM over there is pretty low, and lastly, without investing any money whatsoever. Just before I show you guys everything, make sure you tap the like button down below in appreciation so more people can see this video. And for those of you who haven't already, be sure to click on that red subscribe button and turn on the notifications so you get notified whenever a new video pops up. With all of that said, let's now jump straight into this tutorial so I can show you everything. Alright, so as you've just heard, in this tutorial I will show you how you can make a lot of money online with YouTube Shorts. Just before I show you what you need to do, let me first off explain what YouTube Shorts are for those oblivious. YouTube Shorts are basically YouTube's version of TikTok, as the name suggests. A YouTube Short is up to a 60-second long video on YouTube that is supposed to be funny, entertaining, or both. Mainly because of that, YouTube Short videos get a lot of views, and I will show you how you can take advantage of that to make money. With that brief explanation out of the way, let's get to the tutorial. The very first thing you guys will have to do is think of a certain kind of niche you will want to focus on, and it has to be a decently big and popular niche. For example, the entertainment niche is pretty huge. The animal niche as a whole is huge as well, so you can perhaps focus on funny cat videos, or another huge niche I highly recommend would be weight loss and fitness. Whichever niche you guys pick doesn't matter whatsoever, but I would recommend the entertainment niche the most. Once you decide on your niche, you will need to go over to YouTube and search for it. As an example, in this tutorial, I searched for funny cats, as you can see. The next thing that you guys will need to do is click on Filters right here, and then select Creative Commons. What this does is it gives you the license to use any one of these videos on YouTube without copyright infringement. And no, we will not be uploading these videos onto your channel. I really want you guys to keep watching so that you will see exactly what needs to be done. Anyhow, what you will need to do from here is simply pick any one of these videos that you think has the potential to go viral. This one I opened up is an awesome example. Even though it has a Creative Commons license, this video has gotten millions of views, meaning that people are enjoying the video, which in the end means that it does have a potential to go viral. Once you guys find a video of your own choosing, you will now need to download it to your PC. To do that, you will want to copy the link of the video, and once you do, you will head over to Google and just search for YouTube to MP4. This will show you a bunch of these sites with which you can download any YouTube video for free. To download the previously shown video with this particular site, I just need to paste the link in here and then click on the Start button right over here, and this will now download the video to my PC free of charge. The next step now is to turn the downloaded video into a short, and even though that may take other people a lot of work to do, or they would have to pay someone to do it for them, you won't have to do any of that. I've found an extremely simple and free alternative you can use to turn the previously downloaded video into a short. That alternative is a website called canva.com. Once you go over to this platform, guys, you will need to first sign up for free, and once that's done, this is how everything will look. As you can see, Canva has a bunch of templates that range from Instagram posts to Facebook posts and so on. But we will want to focus on video in particular, so you will need to select that here, and then you will need to click on mobile video, since after all, we do want to create a YouTube short. Doing that will bring you over to the editor, and it's in the editor where you will be able to turn any video into a YouTube short free of charge. To do that, you will first need to open up the video we downloaded a while back. As such, you want to click on Uploads on the left-hand side and open it up from your PC. When you do so, you will be able to see the video, and you will now want to adjust it like I have done so myself. And by the way, you can change the color you'll be able to see above and below your soon-to-be short video. You can make it red, black, or whatever. I will leave it white in my case. The next step you guys will need to take is to shorten the video, since as of right now, it's way too long. To shorten a video, select it first, and then click on these scissors right here. And now, depending on what clip you will want to take from this entire video, you will want to cut out the rest. In my case here, let's say I want to use the very first clip shown in the video. To shorten it, I just need to drag this like so, and then click on Done to finish the process. And I now have a video I can upload as a short on YouTube. Before you guys go ahead and download this short, you will want to add text above and below the clip saying something like "link in the description." In this fashion, you are encouraging people to check out what you have in your description, and you will see soon enough what it is that we will add. For now though, you will want to click on the download button to download this short to your PC. So before we get to the last step that you will need to take so that you can actually make money off of your video, you will first need to upload it onto YouTube. To do so, just go over to YouTube, click on this icon here, and then on Upload Video. That will bring you over to the YouTube studio where you will need to enter in all of this info about your video. The title is especially important as you want it to be worth clicking on. In my case, it's Funny Cat Playing Piano #shorts. You will then add that same title in the description, including the #shorts next to it. The last thing worth noting, guys, is that adding an end screen to your shorts video is incredibly effective because it can get people to binge watch your shorts videos, making you quite a bit of money in the process. With all of that being said, it's now time for me to reveal the last platform we will be using today in order to make money online. And this platform will allow us to get paid without being monetized. The site in question is called teespring.com. What this is a print-on-demand website. On here, you can design a t-shirt, for example, sell it, and make money off of it, but without having to ship it anywhere nor having an actual contact with the product you're selling, which is what makes Teespring the perfect platform for us. Before you can design anything though, what you will need to do is sign up to the platform. To do that, just click on Start Designing right here, and you will then proceed to enter in all of this data. Once you sign up and log into your new account, this is how everything will look. What you will need to do now is just pick a product you'd like to design. The aforementioned t-shirt is arguably the best one, guys, because it sells really well, but it doesn't matter if you guys pick something else. Once you choose a product you want to design, you will be taken to the editor, and you will now want to design your product, a t-shirt in my case. What I highly recommend you guys do is go over to Google and search for a product you are designing, as well as who it's for. In my case, I typed in cat t-shirts, and what I can do now is basically see what other people are designing and design a t-shirt myself that looks similar. In this fashion, you can design a product in a short amount of time without having to invest too much time into designing it. Albeit, it's worth noting that you don't want to rush it either. Once you've designed your t-shirt, you will be able to grab the link to it, and whenever someone purchases it, you will get paid. To finish this process, guys, you will now want to copy the link of that shirt and paste it in the description of your soon-to-be short, saying something like, "T-shirt for a great price," and then finally upload this short onto YouTube. In this fashion, guys, you will be able to get paid without doing that much work whatsoever, and most importantly, without having to be monetized to get paid in the process. Whenever someone watches your short, they will check out the link in your description, and if they do make a purchase, you will get paid. For those of you who want to make even more money in passive income, then be sure to check out one of the 2 videos visible on the screen right now. And with that said, this is it for today's video. If you liked it, then be sure to leave a thumbs up below. I really appreciate it. And so you don't miss out on future videos to come, then click on that red subscribe button and turn on the notifications, and you'll get notified whenever a new video pops up. As always, thank you all for watching, and I'll see you soon.